Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm actually on my iPhone right now. Forgot my GoPro, but right now we're gonna go to the hospital. Today is his check-in day, so we're gonna go and check in, and they're gonna run some tests, and the surgery's gonna be scheduled for tomorrow. It's gonna be like hour and a half to New York City, and just with the weight of the traffic, it's a lot. So right now it's almost a little past 7 a.m. and we're supposed to have an appointment at 9, so hopefully we'll get there and we'll show you the journey. All right, so this is an update. We're actually in New York City already. There was a lot of traffic. It almost took like 2 hours, and we're here. Just got breakfast and heading my way back. We're like in the checking in process, so we're here try to get him in. Outside. Go. It's a drop-off area. Just heading back. All right, so we're in the room that he's going to be staying in, and this is a corner area. It's all by himself.
Very nice to get that all centralized. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, this is a Doppler test and pre-surgery checklist, I guess. We're in the room right now. Hey everyone, so I want to give you an update on my son's status. So basically today is the following day. We checked into the hospital yesterday, and basically all it was is that he had to run some tests. He had to do the Doppler test, which checks for blood clots. He had to do a MRA. This is basically getting prepped for surgery, which is today. We had the schedule. Supposedly it's going to be 3 p.m. It could be sooner, it could be later. We're not sure, but that's what they say. And basically yesterday was a day just to have him checked into the hospital and do the test. And he had an IV, put him in so he can get prepared for the surgery for today. So that's basically it. Right now I'm going back to the hospital because last night we didn't sleep over. They allow only one parent, but his mom and I actually went to check him in. So we both went home around 6. We stayed with him the whole day, and I'm gonna go back. We only allow only one parent, so tonight I'm gonna actually stay overnight, and by tomorrow he's probably gonna stay overnight after the surgery since it's so late in the day, and he's probably gonna be discharged probably Saturday. That's what we're thinking, but hopefully the surgery goes well, and I'm gonna let you guys follow along. I'm gonna go back right now. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning on Friday, so he has a couple hours to schedule. So last night he could not eat anything past midnight. He had his dinner like around 6 o'clock, and he's supposed to be on maybe clear liquids up until 12. He cannot have any liquids at all, getting preparation for the surgery. So it's 3 hours prior to the surgery that you cannot eat or drink anything. So hopefully they will give him something before 12, at least something to drink, and that's what I'm going to check on. So I'll see you in a little bit. HSS. There's many ways you can go, but I'm around Jersey City right now, so we're going through the Holland Tunnel. You can take the George Washington Bridge or the Lincoln Tunnel to get Manhattan, but this is where we're going today. I'm on West Street, and that's the World Trade Center. Just want to get a quick view. Nations. Here at HSS, and right now it's around 11:45 a.m. The surgery is actually scheduled for 3 p.m. It looks like it's pushed back, but that may be incorrect. We might be getting it sooner, but we're just waiting at the moment. So like I said, Alex can't eat or drink anything. We're just waiting for confirmation to bring him down to the surgical room and get this process starting. So we're just waiting here. You know, he's just playing games, watching TV, stuff like that. So that's just an update. So I'll be back in a little bit. Just a quick update. It's about 2:45. He's about to get prepped for the surgery now, and they're getting him ready as soon as we speak. Going downstairs to the rooms and get prepared. So it's almost 3 o'clock now. Hey everyone, just want to give you an update. Right now it's about 9:45. We've been in the surgery prep room since 3 p.m. It's been about like almost 7 hours. There was massive delays, I guess, and we had to wait for the anesthesiologist to come because there was changing shifts, and there was delay in the surgery because our surgeon had to, I guess, complete another surgery prior to ours, and there was a delay there, and we just waited there for a very long time. And you know, it is what it is. So he said it's going to be maybe at 12 midnight, possibly 1 o'clock. So I'm going to try to get some rest. But yeah, we just waited for a very long time. Even though we got into the surgery prep room at 3 p.m., it just took a very long time. So that's an update, and I'll catch you later in the next coming clips. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm actually trying to give you guys an update. Right now it's about 2:20 a.m. He started like a little bit past 9:45 p.m. So he just got out of the operating room, and he should be on his way to the recovery room. So doctor said everything went well. He got everything repaired. There was no reconstruction. He got his knee fixed up, and he should be on his way to recovery right now and be back. So that's a quick update, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, just want to give everyone an update on the status of Alex. So today is Saturday. It's basically the same day that he had his surgery done when he got out of the OR, which was around, say, 2:30 a.m. And today we just basically rested, and the whole day he was able to do some exercises, and the physical therapist came, showed us some exercises to do while he's in bed, and that's the first thing he needs to do. And basically we got some rest and some sleep, because I think myself, I only had like maybe 2 or 3 hours of sleep yesterday, and probably he did himself as well. So we just got a lot of rest, ate breakfast, ate lunch, met with the doctors. We're going to do a follow-up on Tuesday of this week. He wants to see him for a follow-up visit on Tuesday, so we're going to try to schedule one on Monday with the office. And basically we're going to stay one more night, just because he went out of surgery so late this morning. So it's supposed to be for today as far as like being discharged, but we actually want to stay one more night, you know, just to be more comfortable. And yeah, that's the latest update. So I'll keep posting these videos up, and that's it. I'll see you in a little bit. So just back with another update. Today is Sunday. It's about 11 a.m. We're probably gonna get discharged pretty soon. Probably sometime after lunch. And we had another physical therapy person come in and basically show what exercises to do and show them how to do the crutches and all that. And that's about it. And then they're gonna give us medication as far as what to take and all that with the discharge papers. And we're gonna have to follow up with our doctor, Greg DeFelice in Paramus on Tuesday. So we're gonna head out pretty soon to go home. Right now in New York, there's the Puerto Rican Day Parade, so we're gonna see if there's much traffic. Hopefully it's not, but we're gonna try to avoid all that. So that's just an update. I'll see you in a bit. Hey everyone, so we're about to check out the hospital around like 2 p.m. I think. So I just want to give you an update. We're leaving now. Got them all dressed. Gave all the discharge paperwork and instructions. So we're gonna go home. I'll see you guys in the next videos. We have to see the doctor again on Tuesday. So I'm gonna end the video here. Till next time. I'll see you guys. Hey everyone, just want to give everyone an update. We're about to check out the hospital. It's about 1:50, and we're in the parking garage of HSS. It's cost me $108 for parking for 2 overnight stays. So I just want to give everyone an update. The park is not free, but it is what it is. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.